wet. I don't have my waders. There we go, no big deal. And it wasn't even that cold. Thought the water was gonna be cold, that's why I bring my waders. It's quite nice. Okay, the last day of the fishing tournament. I fished the first few morning hours, caught 3 or 4 fish, 4. Only took a picture of one, knowing that it would not be anywhere near big enough. And that's okay. Wanted to use the app, show them I was doing it, participate in the tournament. But not today is the day. We got overcast, we got winds, a lot of surface activity. The fish should be hungry. There we go. This is, whoa, that's what I'm liking. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh my God, that was so fast. We're talking less than 5 minutes. This thing's huge. Oh. Oh, yes. It took drag like crazy. Now it's not fighting. Probably coming towards me or something. It's gonna fight here in a second. Release some drag. I don't want it breaking my line. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on, let me see. Let me see. How big are you? Oh, come on. Yes. Yes. You're not huge, but you're awesome size for this competition. Okay, you're not ready to come in. That's fine, that's fine. I'm good with you not being ready. Oh, that was awesome. I wish I would have brought my stinking net for these guys. Fine. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, you're bigger than 24 inches. All right, my friend. You go back and have some fun.